Yes, posible maka 100,000 pesos monthly as a landing page designer. And in this video, isi-share ko yung strategy that worked for me and sa community members namin on how to make 100,000 pesos monthly as a landing page designer. And para ma-explain ko yung strategy, here's how we are going to tackle this video. We're going to talk about the landing page design business fundamentals, positioning best practices, tools for landing page design, sales process for landing page designers, and lastly, the script to approach clients. So make sure to stick around para malaman mo yung script na gumagana and ginagamit namin. Now you might be thinking and asking this question. Totoo ba to? Bakit may opportunity sa pagla-landing page design? And I'm going to answer you through a story and of course a data to back the story up. So punta muna tayo sa story because it all started last 2020 during the pandemic. Sobrang dami ng businesses ang walang online presence, meaning wala sila sa internet. So, ang ginawa nila is they had to pivot their business efforts into shifting papunta sa online. So, para makapag-shift sila, they heavily relied on online advertising like Facebook ads, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, and any other advertising methods online. At first, ang ginagawa nila is they were driving those visitors papunta sa website nila. Gumagana yun at first. And then suddenly, dahil nga sobrang dami ng businesses, sobrang dami ang nag-rely sa online advertising, mas naging competitive ang online space ngayon. So, ang ginawa ng ibang businesses who were smarter, yung mga nag-hire ng marketing agencies, they were advised to use landing page. And that's why sobrang dami ng demand using landing page after the pandemic because it was one of the ways para mas maging competitive ang isang business against their competitors. And if you would look at the data right here, if you go to Google Trends and look at the data, and then i-change lang natin yung date from 2010 up until the present, makikita nyo na yung trajectory ng search is pataas. That means that more and more businesses are searching for landing page. They're heavily using landing page, which is why mas magkakaroon ng maraming demand for landing page designers. And here are some of the results of our pro group members. And alam mo, mas malaki ang opportunity if you smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that I would reach more Filipino creatives. Okay, Errol, pero anong tool ang gagamitin ko? Knowing the tool doesn't matter that much. And kung gusto mong makacharge ng malaki, you need to understand the business side of landing page design, which leads us to the first point, yung landing page design business fundamentals. When I was starting out, I was under the impression na kailangan mong magaling kang gumamit ng tools, maganda yung design mo, madami yung tools na alam mo. But then, I was wrong. Because you know what? Ang kailangan pala is knowing the landing page design business fundamentals. What do I mean by that? So basically, when you can help your client make more money, make more sales, they won't have any problem paying you higher. And that's where knowing the income stream comes in. So, sa kahit anong business, there are only 3 income stream problems that you need to solve as a landing page designer. It's helping businesses get more sales, more customers to buy from them again and again, or get returning customers. And if matutulungan mo yung isang business para ma-solve kahit isang income stream problem lang, you can charge more, okay? That's how I and my team and also our community members are able to charge more. Kasi tinutulungan namin yung mga negosyante to solve at least one income stream problem. Okay, gets ko na yung income stream, pero paano ko ngayon mahanap ang mga clients na may income stream problem? That leads us to the second point, which is yung positioning best practices. Kasi ang goal natin dito is to make it easier for clients to find us and make it easier for them to understand how we can help them. Hindi enough na sasabihin lang natin, I am a landing page designer, I am a graphic designer. Hindi ganun kasi sobrang dami ng designers na ganun yung job title. So how are you going to stand out if similar yung pagkasulat ng job title mo, diba? Now, to stand out as a landing page designer, here's how I write my positioning statement. You can copy it. I help businesses get more customers through landing page design. Ganun lang yung positioning statement ko. Ganun pala yung positioning. Pero, ano naman yung gagamitin kong mga landing page tools? There are 3 tools na palagi kong ginagamit sa pagde-design ng landing page. I use Adobe XD or Figma for landing page wireframe. And then, kung i-build ko na yung landing page na maging functional, I use swipe pages. And kung sakali lang na kailangan kong magsulat ng landing page copy, I use copy.ai. You might also want to check out my course about how to build your first landing page from scratch. The link is in the description. Nakaka-excite. Pero, paano naman ako makakakuha ng client? And that leads us to the 4th point, which is yung sales process of landing page designers. And here are some misconceptions of aspiring landing page designers. Pag marunong na akong gumamit ng tools, madami yung clients na dadating. Pag maganda na yung designs ko, madami yung clients na dadating. Pag may portfolio na ako, madami yung clients na dadating. And the ugly truth is that a lot of designers, actually millions of designers, have the same approach. Nagre-rely sila sa portfolio, nagre-rely sila sa pagiging marunong sa tools. But then again, how would you be able to stand out if similar yung thinking mo with those designers? It's gonna be hard. And here's an analogy that I want to share with you para at least makashed some enlightenment sa inyo. I call this the seesaw analogy. Para ma-better explain ko ang meaning ko regarding sa misconception. So basically, if you put your time and focus into execution-related task, example is yung pag-focus sa pag-build ng portfolio, pag-master ng tools, sa mga design trends, what's gonna happen is that you're gonna be attracting low-paying clients. Why? Because a lot of designers are also doing the same strategy. So again, how are you able to stand out? But if you focus your time on business-related tasks, example, helping a client solve lead generation problem, sales, helping them retain more customers, what's gonna happen is you are gonna be attracting high-paying clients. Kasi nga, if you're helping them grow their business, hindi sila magdadalawang isip na bayaran ka ng malaki. So, yan yung seesaw analogy. And I hope na mas nakatulong to sa inyo para ma-imagine nyo. Now that you know about the seesaw analogy, I want to share with you the framework that I use to attract high-paying clients, and this is the micro-step framework. This serves as your roadmap on what steps you should take para magkaroon ka ng successful sales process for your landing page design business. Of course, yung una dyan is you have to connect with your target prospects or client. And then, the next is you will offer them a free audit. That way, you could demonstrate your expertise. The next is you would hop on a discovery session with them para malaman mo kung ano yung goals nila, ano yung business problems nila, and para makapag-isip ka kung ano yung strategy na i-implement mo para sa landing page nila. And then once you have those information, you will then go ahead and create a wireframe. Basically, it's like a blueprint of their landing page para makapag-feedback sila. And once approved na yung wireframe na yan, you are now going to build it inside a landing page builder tool. And syempre, once matapos mo na yung landing page, for sure may other problems pa yung client, so you can upsell. If you are a copywriter, you can offer them another skill. Yun yung kagandahan if you follow this framework. Basically, this will serve as a guide for you para alam mo kung ano yung gagawin mo para magkaroon ng mas maraming sales from a client. Okay, gets ko na yung micro step, pero ano naman yung script na gagamitin ko pag-approach ng client? Here is the script that we use to approach the client to get them interested to work with us landing page design. Start tayo. Would you be open if I give you a free audit on how you can increase your conversion? Because I'm a big believer of giving value first and for you to see if I'm the right fit for the role you posted. Looking forward to see if I can help you out in your business. And kung hindi mo pa alam paano mag-audit ng landing page, check out this video right here. On that video, I explain my step-by-step process and also the script on how I audit a landing page. And kung nakatulong yung video na to, kindly like, comment, and subscribe.